Welcome to our latest offering here in the heart of downtown Orlando. I'm Andre Kressler with Kressler Real Estate, and today I'd like to introduce you to this outstanding high-rise condo here at the Solaire at the Plaza. Unit 2814 is the highest floor one-bedroom available in Central Florida. The floor-to-ceiling windows on the 28th floor with western exposure offer you exceptional skyline views and spectacular sunsets. A sleek and stunning modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances blends seamlessly into the living area. Hardwood tile flooring is installed throughout the unit. The bedroom allows for a restful night of sleep, and the giant windows offer abundant light. The bathroom offers an extended vanity, designer fixtures, and plenty of room for storage. The Solaire is the epitome of modern luxury, with sublime finishes inside, impeccable around-the-clock service, and the best of the city at your doorstep. The wide-ranging amenities are found on the 10th floor. Host an event or unwind in the lounge, get in a great workout at the gym, or catch some sunshine at the pool. The downtown movie theater is right in the building, only steps away from the Dr. Phillips Performing Arts Center, Amway Center, art galleries, Lake Eola, and plenty of great restaurants. Wow, a condo with views this spectacular and a building that offers maintenance-free living will not last long. Give us a call to schedule your private showing today.